Hello there, you're welcome. In this section, we want to talk about groups and subtotals. Excel allows you to group your worksheets or data you have inputted into your worksheet. Just like this sheet you are looking at here, I have a lot of information and data that have already been stored. So this is a worksheet of payment, schedule payment for a particular group of people on monthly basis. So I want to hide some parts and I want to make some parts visible. So how does group work? So come to your data menu bar here and look for group. Before you click on this group, you will have to highlight the part or which part you want to hide. So here I want to hide this name and the following columns. So I'm going to select this and this with this. I'm going to select them. Having selected the columns that I want to hide, so the next thing is to locate grouping. So when I click on group, it's going to ask me whether it's the rows or the columns. So I want to select the columns and press OK. So you can see that nothing has happened yet, nothing changed. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on this minus icon. So when I click the minus icon, so it has automatically hid all those columns that I don't want to see. So when I press the plus icon, so it's going to reveal the entire column back. So this is how to group columns or rows or data in Excel. Click on it, then everything is hidden. Then click on the plus sign, you will have everything back again. So in order to delete the command you have placed on this particular worksheet, so just come to on group and press OK. So another method you can also look at is to create a subtotal. We are going to use this information here to create a subtotal. So these are the list of people who have been paid for a particular month in a workplace. And we have information such as site ID, IHS, site ID, region, client, supervisor, guard name, one, phone number, bank, account number, amount, comments, and others. So the first thing is to sort the worksheet by data and you want to subtotal. So we are going to create a subtotal for the site ID here. So when you click on the site ID, then still on the data tab, click on subtotal. So the subtotal dialog box will appear. So this is the drop down at each change in. So when you click the drop down arrow, so you are going to select the one that you want to apply the function to. So I'm going to choose IHS site ID. So you are going to click on IHS site ID. Then under use function, so you are going to count the number of IHS site ID that is there. So under add subtotal to, you are going to select IHS site ID. So when you are satisfied with it, then just click OK.